Nublay P Baro Shakatup Khuborjylla ka donbosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentaka sngi kilong. Seiso ka integrated health campaign hathem ribhoy mentoy khat 8,000 spa prapu arngut kipat ba. Wat pensarang hakendong laki sapipong tentu ke kong memorial kongkai. Haka jingalam uba BHCM yong acting CM yo benta kipat ba haka dorbar ba kahimalang ren. Ban sei borba ke kongres ban kekli ha Meghalaya. Tomentai ne pai shaki Khubor ke bakhambanya. Ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Max kalapan long ya ka integrated health campaign program basaw banai kenti nadu ka khatnyo tarik urisau 8,000 arphulai bat lapan kut haka khandai tarik Kyllalyngkot 8,000 arphusau haka jingalang Peit ba kabala long hanong po. Hagani ka jingalang penkut ya ka integrated health campaign program lapan hap perda haka khandai tarik Kyllalyngkot da uba Meryl Bonds Aim Chairman Meghalaya State Health Advisory Board ka Khuborjylla kumukongsan haka jingadan lang ka Dr. B. De Cruz Project Director Max, Dr. Elmer Thong Deputy Director Medical Max, Dr. D. Bla Additional DM NEHU Ribhoy District, Dr. E. Kalwing District AIDS Control Officer Ribhoy District ki officer na katanat ka kwat kya abat na kiway pat kitanat trekam ka Khuborjylla. Lengba ka integrated health campaign program hakini kisaw banay la examine hadu khat 8,000 spa prapu arngut ki palba haki shispa prapu waitli kishnong hathem ribhoy. Ka Max ringkat berkejing sno okti lang jong katanat ka kwat kya kilatur bat par shaki kishnong kanika district ban examine ya ki palba na kijing pang babunjat kentop ya ka HIV AIDS. Kipat ba ke Ribhoy District kilayo shibuon kijing mentoy na kani kajing wan jungo jong ki Dr. Hakishnong jongki. Hakani kajing alang penkut ya ke integrated health campaign program. Ka Max kala penkut buram ya ki tenat sorkar paper ki doktor ka tenat ka kwat kakya ki kenhuon tremon ngobha ki balas nokti bandan bentang nadu basdang jong ke integrated health campaign program ki bala penlong ya kani ka program ka basaiso bat ka bala shibuon kijing mentoy ya ki palba ka them ribhoy.
And then representative from NAKA from the ICC Shillong, then from the NEHU.
As per the report that has been placed and represent, we have seen not less than 23 HIV positive case has been detected so far in the Ribhoy district. Since the time we met in East Jylla Hills in Kyllalyngkot, which is one of the districts with a high rate of HIV positive within the state. Even though Ribhoy, it falls in the category as a low category, but you have taken an initiative to come because we know our district is a vulnerable area, vulnerable district. We share a porous border with Assam. We have a highway which connect 2 to 3 states within a northeastern state. We have several industries. We have 2 EPIP campus, one in Unyam, one in Birmingham. We have quite a large number of laborers also who came from outside the state for different purposes that has been entrusted within this district. As we have seen in the past, the data that has been placed, it is quite alarming. There is a campaign, a mantra for say no to drugs, say no to tobacco, say no to plastic, and there are different initiatives that has been taken, not only by the health department, but by different stakeholders, NGOs, civil society, government missionaries, to eradicate many issues that are there within our society. And we are here today to witness this program, the closing ceremony. And I'm not wrong to say that it is a right time that each and every one of us, we have to come together to fight for this noble cause so that our future generation will be in the safe hand. I would like to place on record my sincere thanks, since most of us we are here. Most of you are the health worker within the health department and other agencies which has been entrusted with different tasks. And we have seen that despite of many issues in and around us, but we are still fighting, and we keep on fighting in the days to come. In the past 2 to 3 years when COVID was there, mostly the health workers are there at the ground to fight this epidemic. I would like to thank each and every one of you who are present here, not only from the health department or the line department, for the dedication that you have worked how to fight COVID-19 during those years.
Auxilium Roilang Skills Training Center ARSTC Khapmara haka khandai tarik Kyllalyngkot kala penlong ya kajingalang bakerpang convocation ban sam eki sernot bad eki kor su jan ceki Samla kenthei naga than nong ston ki bala pendep ya kajing pentebit hakikam su jan naga nika training center kabadon hasnong pendengrai nong ston West Khasi Hills. NAKA ni kaslam ay jing hikai kila don arpun riengut ki Samla kenthei ki bala pendep ya ki jing hikai hakikam su jan. Ya ka sernot certificate NAKA ni ka training center la itu khmat da ka Radiant Infonen New Delhi. Haka ni ka jingalang palba la pediang sengob haru ya ka kunhuan bathamai arpu sangut second batch haka ni ka training center. Ya ka ni ka jingalang bakerpang la penlong hapalau jong ka ARSTC pendengrai bat uba Iwan Mi Lingdo MCS ulalong ukongsan bat ka Kong Memorial Kongkai Skills Development Officer West Khasi Hills District kum ka sembut kongsan haka jinga don lang ki sestar ki brodar bat uba Michael Marwen sordar ka snong pendengrai kilong keme kilong kpa bat ki bahaya ngasem jong kini ki Samla. Haba ay jingkran ka Kong Memorial Kongkai kala kentui ki Samla ki bala pendep ya ka training baki day ban pendon kam hok bat tista ya ki sap ki ba kilayo na kanika shlem bat amday ban shubu pensarang ya ki sekendong handrei pendon kam ban yeng halaki jong ki jat ban kamai kaji bat ban pendap ya ki jingdon kam ka yeng kasem kala ong ru lengba kini ki sap pilala ban pendap penbiang jakpo ya la ka yeng kasem pentelun syaprang ya kini ki sap wat buri ya ki kala penkut
form ru yang aba nakapor sakapor ba PPG ya shong kamslem ru ban ya kanika training ya kapor ru training nei dadai hadu sausi teng ru pi shong hadun ru baje nyo pra baje ru kinang shong namar pen i si sai ka jing prang jong pi bat ka jing trai stom jong pi te minta pat balakut ka training lalu bakut ka training mencem snam te kat nungut na pedang jong pi bala sedang mensu pinyo iki machine bat ka jing angnut jong ko office jongi balengi ai ki machine ha dalakut ika training kadai kumni kan khnang ba pinum don chu kono kono ngim kwa chu bani osngau ba ki khna jongi ki breu jongi nda ki ladap ika training ki amba kinum la ban sedang mo ika training te ta kadau fit sayo iki tiar jong pi hakan ika sngi pinum don excuse chu dai nam menta pinalayo ka tiar pin haban tre yen biangam ta Dementa ka jin kentur ya phi kadai ba na ka office jongi ngi angnot ban yu i ba andala dep ya ka training ngi kwa phi ba pin tre ndai ban shu bo ikit ki jing tip jing nang ki skills ki ba phila yo pin shu bo ba kin sarang ha kendong sakan ma ba kin ki kor ba phi yo phim dei ban shu bo ha kendong ma te nang ta pada na ka office jongi ru ngi bo ya kata ka kendon ba ki training partners jongi hi baro kidi ban but dien ya phi tekan sadon ka jing but dien pin sayo phone call na isa kamai na ki sister jong ko auxilium hi kin phone ya phi na kapor sa kapor kin kli ya phi la tre ayu pila le ayu
man bain ning aya ka machine
Haka khandai tarik Kyllalyngkot u acting CM kahima langren CM ship ba BH CM yong ulalum lalang yaki khun ki hajar hapo kahima ban penlong yaka dorbar ba jo kahima hasnong Plangdilon Southwest Khasi Hills District haka ba de ki hajar mur ki pal ba kilawan shagane ka dorbar ki bakan thop ki sordar ki menteri ki lengdo ki rangba bat ki samla ki balakot khat pras nem shaneng Uba BHCM Yong acting CM juga himalang rin habakran sekilat patai Khubor hadin balakot ke dorbar ulaong ba ke jinglum ya kane ke dorbar kade hadin ba ulalap shibun ki jingduna haka rukam sensar kadar hapo ke hima hakane ke dorbar menta kasngi layo banekran shibun ki mat ki bala menjurlang de ki pat ba da ka barakti bad kala long ka bayat bet yat renti ban yo e ke sensar kadar ka bakhuit basuba hakane ke hima nang ni syakmat Uloong ru, hakisnam baladap ya kedorbar hima lapan long tang da ki sordar, ki sekretari shnong, ki menteri, ki lengdo, klem da ai bantalang ya ki khun ki hajar jong ka hima. Haka ni ka kenti, haka jing shimti jong u kumu acting CM, lawan rat thamai haka dorbar jong ka hima, banya dan bantalang baro ki shenrang ki balakot ya kerta khat pras nem shaneng. Uloong ru ba menta kasni ki pal ba ki lapan pau bakim kwashu bandang long CM u ba nang te CM yong ubala sya weng shipor kumus im jong kahimalang rin.
Jong kasnam arjar kharwei. Kan ni kasnam jong arjar kharwei kaya tu ingi ka ong kumne ba ka khendau laulangam kila bat benden tangli ka badai ka khendau jong kahimana du kulong kuma na du kisiem ki ba ngimla suban ken mau ka dei bai ka khendau jong kahima. Dan rei dam kan kasnam khat khandai spa propra khat khandai spa khandai problem mi ke pies ba kini kadon ko ka long ying sim hi apo ka hima lang ren ka belakam ri kentino ya kan ka khandau dan da hadin kat tu kan ni kalami ka jing ya lekis bat ka hima bat hadu kasnam arja kharwai umpat don mano bejom ya ka jing sha nakaliang jong ka hima ka don kinong rim ke babiang dan ringim tep ya ka ka benta ka badon ha ka jing besar ngem tiap ya kata dan rei enda ki paipa kila snoutu kila yo ya ki jing sha ki badon ikot islah ko ka hima te menta kasni enda ha bangila kami ba kani ka joint property ka bala penlong ka senam arjat ko we ka long ka bakta si sha ki paipa subu ladang yo ya kanu ka jingmi to ka hima subu ladang yo santengka ni lahapan ya samar arpia ladang yo silak ni hapan ya samar sampojar berkata kalau ngayeng ke bekam digenti mar hagasnam arjat kawei kila yasanya kata ka jingesuk ba ban yasuk no ba ki ong ba in ya sukno ya kene ke kis bat ngin ya long trai langkan ya kene ke kendong ten rei long ke ba bakla ke ba ngimla ban pediang mar ba ka tu kasnam Khubor balong dorbar hang nihi di kiladon kibawan tangkumpa sisba mud kibawan sakata ka dorbar di hadin jong kata oh haswa jong ka dorbar lasdang ban paksan ke nyupoj ba long ban paksan ban akten dorbar di hadin andalai keren ya kata ka ayu ya kata ka jing yasuk no ya kata ka mukut duma kemud ba lawan uslap pemlap bapenkut lawan uslap hangnya berendah tinggi layarung hangne nda layarung hangne ru kamdon ka jinga hun kamdon ka jinga suk ladon ki bomsuk ki plami no syabar kata Khubor di hadin jong kata kemud ba na kaliang jong ki kelayo tang kembalai spa kendai po terai besan dan kita di bahasan yang kita di bahasan wan aten dorbar bat kawai bat kita di bahasan isnong buker kita di bahasan dorbar ni mar bat bahasan dorbar ni kilong tang kuba sispai di anda din ba bat ka bentang ke bengi benekran kelong ya kene ke edi roll jong sedam arjar pulai te kene ke data ke jing penapa jaba pajba hima ba edi roll kibala sna arjar spong ngila review ngila reveal bat menta kalayat kan ke edi roll arjar pulai nang ni syakmat kumut kahima kisno hapo kahima kin bot no ekene ke edirol senam arjar pulai nang ta sa kebenta kebesau nilai keren ru ya kenika no confident motion kebelawan ra deki pajba jumpa hima tenda habang nilai keren bahai kenika benta nak kalian jumpa pajba kila ai ya kejeng bom syane su usim unang tai sing sim yang pemerintah ban long ke musim ubala syak suspend kan musim long tai sing sim mentang syak suspend dan nak kalian jumpa pajba kim syane su ban long musim jong kelima halor kini kijingle ki jong u bau ulam misius ya ke bisa juga ima ulam misius ya ke power juga ima mah ke power bu ai kendau civil subdivision ke power bu ai ki permission berki NOC mod umju ai syuk da kador barma rela ai baik da management board kebalong joint property dan ke hima bat jeng jong u de kata gawe ke benta ke bana kalian ibai ba nadu menta kasni kim dan syuk ke jeng syania unusim kim kwa syuban sensyar da muluha halor kisnong kitau halor ke hima berkowe kata nangda saya kini gawe ke benta ke jing pom dan benta syuk ki kun ki hajar jong ke hima ki balale syong syawai ba ti ya kini ke benta meneng nilai keren ba ya kini ke bentangin saya kedan beni haga eksekutif dorbar ke hima mari kendingin haban penrungru haga ak ke role jong ke hima kenapa kan ni peteng la peteng ti kan ingin saya keren biang agak eksekutif dorbar ke hima ti tang kini ki jing ya keren berkirai ki mami akan ni kesni ke pemerintah ti
Kaseng sang Partai Indian National Congress INC kalapan kre ban say borba ban kikli sa Shisian Meghalaya ban hari India barok kawai laong u Jylla Kumar udekot jangka All India Congress Committee AICC ubadai Peit ya ke Meghalaya haga kendai terik Kyllalyngkot ha Shillong. Uni unong yalam kaseng Kongres ulawan sa Shillong ban emerging mut bat kinong yalam jaga seng kamtam ya uba Vincent H. Pala MP Lok Sabha uba badru ikakam Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC halor kanika pang. Kini kirang ba kaseng Kongres kilaya kendu ya kinong yalam jaga seng hadu ki blok bat distrik kiba na khuborkhasi jantia bat garo ban wad ya kilat kilenti ban penklan ya kaseng ha kanika Jylla. Jylla Kumar ulakran da kajing sngo shingan hakilat patai Khubor hakani kanong ba da ka baong makipal ba kari India kinsa pen isya haki election Lok Sabha hadu katnu kinyo kor bat angnud ban yoi ya kajingkit kli juga seng Kongres naga benta ka bha kamiat karoy ka pa jongki amtang ha Meghalaya henre hakarihi baro kawe hakajingkran berkilat patai Khubor hakani kasni ladan lang ki MLA Kongres na kani ka Jylla Jylla Kumar uday MP kaseng Kongres na Tamil Nadu.
Dr. Jylla Kumar, who is also my colleague in Parliament, he is a member of the Lok Sabha from Tamil Nadu. He is a very seasoned senior politician. He started his career when in 1991 he became an MLA. So we are fortunate to have him in our midst, and we are fortunate also to get his guidance. Today he has enlightened all our district president, block president, right from Tura. We had a meeting yesterday. In Nongstoin we had a meeting today, and here now with our workers. Our main briefing today will be taken by him, but all the state issues and all will be taken by Roni. The rest maybe I also participate and assist with anything to be answered by you. So we welcome any questions, but before that I would like to say that many of the issues related to the India alliance, actually we have been asked by Delhi, we should not take a decision. Whatever views we have, we can give it to them, they will take a decision. This is very important. And I've given a press before also, and I think this is the thing. Another issue is that election is coming. Our preparation we are on. We did pause for some time because of festivities and because of festivals and Christmas, New Year. But today we have started. As I told you, we'll have a meeting on 8 in Garo Hills. We did it, and today we are having it here. So thank you, and I'll be happy to hand over to you, sir. Let them ask you questions, and if you think that I will answer, I will answer. Or
as an in charge, it's my first visit to state of Meghalaya. From yesterday, I could able to interact with many Congress senior leaders and also the bloc presidents and those who have contested the elections. They are all in a happy mood. They are all want to bring back the Congress regime in the state of Meghalaya. They are all unitedly, they have assured that they all will unitedly work for the betterment of the Congress party for the coming parliament election. Whatever the direction given by the AICC, they are ready to carry out. And we have discussed about the booth committees, and we have discussed about the how to go and to propagate the Congress achievements. There are a lot of things. See, already Congress High Command has constituted the screening committee for the selection of the candidates, and we have AICC has formed a committee to negotiate with the India bloc. So that process is under already they started the process. So they are in touch with all the alliance partners of the India bloc. So very soon we will come up, but this time we will declare the candidate in a early time itself, because already we have formed the screening committee. So very soon we will come out with the candidates and we'll start our campaign.
Laingut kirang ba kiba kuntop yu Dr. Wan Sanbor Ilungwi ba mealam karmalki na saumer apa Shillong ba uba El Nathan rentatiang na umlengka kila rung dekot haka seng BJP haka kendai tarik Kyllalyngkot. Ya kini kirang ba lapadiang ngobha da uba Alexander Elhek bat kiwe kinoyalam ka BJP haka jingelang pakerpang palapan long ha office jong kani ka seng ha Shillong. Kani ka jingrung dekot jong kini kirang ba kalapan isay baka BJP kalatur sa prang ban penklan nya kitap niang jong ka ha kani ka Jylla.
So we got this today morning, early morning I reached to my residence. So after a cup of tea I said that if you are free today, so 1 o'clock, in between 2, I'll come to the party office, then we can make the enrollment for the joining of our friends. 3 of them, they are ready to join. The forms, everything's are ready now. But why are ready to do that? They will stand with I'm so 1 minute. So we like to thanks Crow for presiding over this meeting this afternoon. But if you borrow la poilang, thing is men shibune ba Dr. Wan Sanbor Ilungwi and the El Nathan rentatiang, but Mayadam Karmalki. Ibala long ready, but one but join us at the party jungi, thing is no sungan, so to chibune, but kini day naka time sora, like can make you time sora, but you don't look a ying upon Saumer, Juru, get on your day by Janha, but it's no Myra. Take a bridge bone people like what you welcome your fees, like a party jungi, but the last you show and proclaim, but I'm trade you show, like Bandang, Kajing, Klein, Naragajim Daga, party of BJP Jungi Kumno, but Pukre, you are po pra. Arpo Arpupra Naragi Pukre, Domantang, and Sayo government BJP. If we are going to start now only to prepare for the 2028 the general election, MLA election, we are going to get our BJP government at the Meghalaya.
Juru yaki Vice President, General Secretary, but Juru yaki Bahek Minister, leader lah ke KSU juga, ngagade ex General Secretary juga Central Body KSU, bagi syokhat angkat bagi ba berduduk hakas nem hat Khubor Jylla election, ye syokhat langai ye no. Di situ kana dia di ya ke ba ke jingi ye ke jai bendrio. Nah saya nak hamnya ko ke KSU kinong yalam kiban sya sitom bahak mbabul banga bangidi kinong yalam kiban ne slem bahak ko kaki asli hadu ni short time ti ngalong Jylla secretary jago bersih Pradesh Youth Congress ko jadi Jylla ni ti ngalong joint secretary jago North Eastern Region Indigenous Student Federation sing badan mencuba ngalong presiden juga All India Student Federation ngelakit pun kikau di sing de ti kita di sing di hampau mencuba
Pada kitu ki Khubor lapoi ka bakon tarhadu bangin daya syambiang Khublai Shibun.